In holistic medicine, we use tools to make the invisible visible and empower our patients to witness their own healing. And that really empowers people to continue on because they're actually able to see results before they actually feel them. So, people who track their health data, studies show that are 2 times more likely to reach their health goals than those who don't. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are in week 11 of Intro to Holistic Medicine, and we are talking all about our nutrition, how we process that information. And in our course of Intro to Holistic Medicine number 1, we are focused on nutrition. So we use a lot of tools, like subjective tools, like our nutritional assessment questionnaire, combined with our pH levels and our heart rate to determine salivary pH determines our digestion. But then we can also use other tools like our Holistic Life app, like our pH logs, food journaling, and more. So if you're interested in enrolling in our course, it is completely self-paced. It is free unless you decide to get a certificate for the course. So go ahead and click a link in the bio, scroll down, and enroll, and away you go. So here we go. Let's talk about what tools that we use in holistic medicine. Physical tools actually anchor behavior. So instead of just telling patients, go do this, go do that, we want to use tools to help them to be able to determine. Even if that tool, let's say, is a bottle of water, I will often teach patients to, get a specific bottle of water, let's say a 24 or 32 ounce, so that they can then track their water with ease. What does that do? It empowers patients, gives them something to focus on, and it really fits into their life. So it makes it practical and convenient. The other thing that we may work on, let's say if a patient gets stuck in holistic medicine education, we want to work with them on being more self-aware and unpacking what resistance they may have. So we'll maybe use some journaling prompts for them to reflect and really take ownership over their health. Speaking again of taking ownership of your health, I know people don't like to do it, but again, going back to the tracking their symptoms, digestion, mood, sleep, that information builds that more internal self-awareness, but also provides that education to their providers so that their providers, such as myself, can really determine what their root causes are much faster with that information. Our Holistic Life app that I worked on really allows for a container of habit building. Not only are we able to track lots of data and evaluate it, but also too, patients can easily send me messages, ask me questions, review their labs, get their labs drawn, get lab orders, get their supplement orders, and of course, look at their data over long term, such as their food, their water, all of those things. And so we teach our patients in holistic medicine education how to measure their pHs, their hydration, energy levels, especially in Intro to Holistic Medicine 1. And these daily trackers actually help to build self-trust because now patients realize, oh, wow, look at what I'm doing. Look at the progress that I'm making. So it's not just some, thing that's happening over here. They're able to really pull that information in and connect the dots for themselves. In fact, our Holistic Life app really is a way to reinforce all of this information. So people look at it, it's a completely free app, and then they can track their data and then evaluate it. And if they want, they can even schedule an appointment so that we can go more in depth. And so the act of writing things down really creates that accountability. And I know people groan about that. They have all kinds of excuses and resistance. And even if you're not tech savvy, you can always start off with just tracking it on a piece of paper, because tracking, it really helps you not only to build accountability, but also self-awareness into what you're doing. So if you want to learn more about how you can use holistic medicine education to help you and your family live naturally, go ahead and click the link in the bio, scroll down, and enroll. Like, share, and subscribe for more.